Yeah, pleasant good night people, some day out here. Once more, back on another adventure in Arizona, so I go on, get dumpling them stir up, that's them not really sticking at the pot now guys. Yeah man, so that I go on people with the blazing fire they the same way. Yeah man, so right now we are get the fish them stir up and thing I don't know say scallion thyme, okra and onion and pepper in the pot now guys, as well as so I go on, so don't know say the fire I go and cook them. Yeah man, so right now we are get the fish store and thing now guys. Yeah man, so right now we are get it take off cause you know say it done cook already you know guys. Yeah man, so I go on there nice and lovely you know my people. Yeah man, for real man, don't know say the fish well lovely, so we are take a little 360 to show you guys what go on with the pot and thing now. Yeah man, so that a go on people. So I go on there. Yeah man, well nice and beautiful now guys. Yeah man, don't know no people. Some doubt here, you know. Yeah man, just a show no what go on guys. Yeah man, for real man. Don't know no people. So I go on there. That is it. Fire there so. The blazing fire same way. With the dumpling pot. Just like, comment, share. Yeah man, check in on people so don't know so we get the food them share out and thing now as well as see dumpling there so, the curry fish there so, okra on a plate same way, carrot there so same way you know guys, as well as see what I want so don't know so me get it share out, as well as see my fart there so same way you know guys, so don't know my people, just a show no what I go on guys. Yeah man, don't know so me never really have nobody to video it for me. Yeah man, so me just show no a little clip of the food when me eat, when me deal with the food and thing guys. Yeah man, don't know. Yeah man, so that a go on and people me just catch a little clip when you can see what I go on guys. Yeah man, for real man people, so I go on that a go on see the fish. Yeah man, just a
this is mint.
yeah,
Look at this guys, fresh mint.
that is it now people. This a mint we wanna use make tea now guys. Yeah man, so you see how the mint tree stay. Yeah man, me and Papa they out here today. Yeah man, once more now guys. Man, that is it now people. Don't know. Papa there here man. So go on. That is it. Nice flowers here so. See you more now guys. That a go on now people. Come on, so I go on there. They up here. Don't know. That a go on. Sit down a brown now guys. That is it. Step. Yeah, so that are going on people. So remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah man, that is it now. Watch your them. Yeah, check in on people. So right now I'm there. A nice, lovely pattern. When I pass by the road and say me I stop. Show no guys what I want. So I go on there. Nice pattern on people. That is it man. Don't know. Go over next door. Don't know this are the road. Yeah man. That I go on people. So I go on there. Nice little plant and just like, comment, share and subscribe. and check in. And me I go out on the beach. Go and stay tuned. Watch how I go on. And my people, some day here back on another new adventure. I go out on the road, on the seaside road, show you guys what's going on the beach. So right now I'm there here. I go and walk as soon as I go on. Don't know no guys that I go on and people don't know. Down here so then call it a scheme. Yeah man, so that I go on so some nice pigeon there. Yeah my people, so see some nice pigeon there. That I go on and people don't know. I walk about on the seaside about this lovely pigeon. Yeah man, so that I go on and people. Yeah man, that is it now. Yeah man, the people so see them there. Pigeon for days, you know. That is just a walk, go out on the beach, go see what's going on out there. Don't know, me say the road chub off and thing. The man like them and make a black factory out there. So a nice plant here now my people. Yeah man. Like them and make a black factory out there now guys. So just a go out there, show no what I go on, the process what I go on and thing. So go and stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah man my people, so right now me I head out on the seaside now guys. As you now see, nice mountain the front town. Yeah man. Don't know. So I go on a nice house I build here. So see me you know guys. Don't know. Some banana tree there here. So see me that I go on people. Yeah man. So right now me I head out on the beach now. So go and stay tuned and watch what I go on till me reach out here. That is it now my people. Big up all my viewers and my subscribers. Don't know. Take on the journey with me. That is it. Yeah man, my people, so right now I take on journey now as one as so I go on. Don't know. I walk a go out on the beach. Don't know no, that I go on my people. As one see some stump cut up and there so see you here. Yeah man. So that I go on my people. Just I take a walk. Don't know. Yeah man. Now go see what I go on now guys. Yeah man. That is it. Yeah man, big up, big up. Yeah man, so I go on them people. That is it them peeps. Don't know. Be a stump out here. That I go on them people. Yeah man, that is it them peeps. Look like them are burn coal with them. Yeah man, so that I go on stay tuned. Yeah, check in them people. Some just a show now what I go on. Yeah man, the view and thing. Yeah man, some nice jelly tree in the background. See them here. Don't know. I take a zoom in from what I go on. Don't know say a year so the new black factory I got there you know guys. So you can just check it out and support it when it start up and thing. Yeah man, that I go on them people as well see. The road get shub off and thing. Yeah man, so that is go I go on them people. Yeah man, that is it now. So me I go take a close up look from what I go on. Yeah man peeps, that's what I go on eh. That I go on them people. That is it man. So go and stay tuned and watch how I go on guys. They out here you know. Yeah man my people, so right now I reach our location with nice and beautiful and pretty you know guys. As well now so I go and don't know so one coconut tree there so see you here. So go and stay tuned and watch how I go on. Yeah, check in on my people so right now I'm there. Yeah man my people, check in now so don't know so I'm up on the river today again. Don't know so I see a whole heap of person guys in the water and things you know. Yeah man, so I go out from my line and come back, but I go do it in a different video, you know, guys. So I go post this video so you guys can see what's going on. Yeah man, so right now the water kind of draw down now, you know, guys, cause when burst the river mouth and don't know say water dry down, you know. Yeah man, cause when the river mouth burst, less water in the river, you know. Yeah man, so don't know river draw down. Don't know say the birds them a come out cause the water is warm. Yeah man, so them not go really stay one place. Them a move around now. When the water cool, them will stay one place now guys. So don't know say me a come out here come test the water. If messy, them boy a come out here come dive. Me show no what I go on. So go and stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Yeah man, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe now, you know, guys. Yeah man, my people so right now. Perch them a move now guys. As you know so I go on. Man, so I go on them people. Look on the old perch them big now guys. This is a show now I go on now. And soon see them move now guys. Don't know me say me zoom it up. So you guys can see what I go on. Yeah man, so a whole heap of perch there here now guys. Look there guys. Look there. Millions now guys. That are go on them people. Yeah man, people so I go on there. Don't know. Whole heap of perch in the water. That's how I go on guys.